should have a helmet.
Oh, that's the river right down here? That's the, okay, okay. Horsies. That's that big steep face. Look at that. Look at that. And then the river's right at the bottom.
So yeah, when you went down there.
Yeah, I couldn't get any signal. It's my, whoa, whoa. It's the dog. Llama? It's ominous. Looks like they should be making a horror film out here or something, you know? Yeah.
You know, people do dumb things in the forest. They leave campfires before making sure they're out. Dumb, dumb.
I meant to do that. All I want to do is go fast. I want to go fast. No, this is crazy.
Chilly up here, huh?
Yeah, a little bit. Wind's kicking back in. There are little red flowers and stuff.
Indian paintbrush.
Oh, okay. So many firsts today. Rainbow trout, driving ATV, in a bucket. I loved it. I was looking at the trees. I was trying to look for a lizard to make eye contact with. Oh, look at that. Yeah, oh yeah. Some people driving up there and he's like, I'm just gonna go for a walk or some shit. I don't know. Just pick me up on the way down or some shit. I feel like I should ask him. How's it going? You good? Okay. Enough of this slow shit. You ain't doing it right until your girlfriend says, don't do it. What do you mean, no? I would get so lost here. Hit the garage door opener. He's like, wait a minute, that's a damn good idea.
You know, people who do things like that in the forest are really dummies. Like this dumb. They toss lit cigarettes out of their cars. Dumb. They start trash fires and walk away. Dumb, dumb. They leave campfires before making sure they're out.